she's a great girl.
Athena.
Athena. Athena. She's been wandering around, having a good old time.
She's trying to get better.
Yep.
She's trying to get better. My baby. She's my baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi.
Athena.
So
Athena.
hard. Athena,
Stop it.
Look over here.
Athena, look, Athena.
Who's that? Who's that?
Hi, Athena. There's my baby. There's my
Hi.
baby. Oh, look at that
We
swollen
love you.
eye. Oh, my goodness.
But you're out here and you're standing up and you're playing a little bit.
Yeah.
You're taking treats, Mama.
You know, I'm telling you, Elizabeth, I still think the bee stings gave her a stroke. I'm just telling you.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised.
I still think they gave her a stroke. I mean, her eye's swollen, her face is all...
Hi, baby.
Oh, Athena, you're so pretty, girl.
I love you, my baby.
Yeah.
I love you. Doing so good. You're fighting. You're getting better.